A.
Piss take.
Production.
This episode I'm going to throw on a NiceCNC brake pedal. The simple way to uninstall the pedal is with these tools, a T45 Torx bit and a 13mm ring spanner. Just find the nut on the back and just undo the Torx bolt. There's the nut. Slide the bolt out. Now we've got the bolt out. Remove the pedal. Remove the spring. And we're going to reuse this component. How good does that look? So let's go ahead and put this onto the new NiceCNC bit, pedal, brake pedal. Now using a Torx 30 bit, with a 10mm spanner, undo that nut. And you can take that out. We'll tighten that up. Reinstall the new pedal. Hook the spring on as well. Put some Loctite back on the bolt. Reinstall the nut. Now with the gear lever side, swap with the OEM gear lever to a NiceCNC gear lever, and this is how it's done. We'll back off this bolt, and that's a T30 bit. Just sit that there. Torx bit, but this one's a 45. And there's There's a nut on the back as well that's 13 mil. So just back that bolt off. Let's take that nut out, off, pop the bolt out, and then you can take the gear lever out. This is what comes in the pack. Very nice looking gear lever that you can adjust it. There's a bolt and a spare end, so you can swap it so it's a shorter piece. But we're gonna run with this one. Put some new Loctite on the main bolt. Get original nut, put that back on. Okay, that's back on tight. Drop a Loctite on the smaller bolt. Just lift the gear into position. Now she's back on. Pull the clutch in, just test it. And I even suggest going for a test ride. Okay, let's fire the bike up. And put it into gear. That feels nice, it clicks nicely. Just double check the brake. It's nice and spongy. With a little bit bigger footprint. Let's take off. And then I'll put it in neutral. Back into gear, and turn around. Now I want to stop. Pull the clutch in, I'm going to stop. And lift up, yeah, it's nice, it goes into neutral. Now KTM's not the best gearbox. But we just want to make sure that it works for us, that's all. Nice tap, clicks in. That's successful for getting in and out of gear. The next test, we want to get up to 5th and 6th gear. We want to make sure that we don't get false neutral. Ah, nice. Went really well into 2nd. I'll click it into 3rd. Ah, that's good. Now I want to just test the rear brake. Yep. Now let's just jump cut to the highway. Now I'm just going to do a rolling start from 2nd. Okay, so the gearbox and the gear lever's perfect. I'm just going to throw it out there, always wear protective gear, unless you're a professional rider like myself. That includes gloves and a jacket. Don't be a squid boy. It's a lovely gear lever. Great value for money. I'll leave a discount code in the comments and the description box. Now let's test this brake lever. Oh, it's lovely. Oh yeah, better! I think I've outdone myself. I love this motorcycle. So there you go, a quick install video for those two NiceCNC components to throw on your bike. With your old OEM parts, just throw them in the original packaging and put them in a box. So there you go. Easy install, takes 5 minutes each side and makes your bike look better. Thanks for watching.